Alright guys, here we have the Fire keyboard. It's by Amazon, and I have this for the Fire TV. If you guys have a Fire TV or know someone that does, these Fire TVs use a small little remote here. It looks like this. And it can be annoying to type in, long searches. You can talk to it for Amazon products, but if you want to search Netflix or something, you got to do one letter at a time. So I got this for my Fire TV, so it's easier to search Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, and should make Fire TV a lot more enjoyable and easier to use. So let's get it out of the package here and see what we get with it. So out of the box, here's what we get: a little instruction setup manual, our charge cable, and the keyboard itself has mouse buttons as well. And this thing is thin, like ridiculously thin and small. I've had an Amazon Bluetooth keyboard a year or two ago that I used with a previous tablet, and it was much thicker. This thing is insanely small. It's rechargeable. You got your on-off button up here. It is a small size keyboard. It's going to be great for using at home here. Let's go ahead and take a look how to set this up to the Amazon Fire TV. Alright guys, so to set it up, we're going to go down to the settings in our Fire TV. Now this keyboard will work with other devices, the tablets, and well, as almost any Bluetooth device. But it's also made for the Fire TV. That's what I got it for. So I'm going to have it turned on. Not sure if I had it on right there or not. I think I just turned it off. Turn it back on here. And now I'm going to hold down the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. And I'm going to go into controllers and Bluetooth devices. And I'm going to go with other Bluetooth devices. Add a Bluetooth device. Now it says it's discovering. It should discover our device. Input device. Pairing. And now it should be Fire keyboard, mouse, keyboard, select the disconnect. Alright, so now that it's set up, let's give it a try. I'm going to go into Netflix here. And in Netflix, instead of having to use this little controller and type in one letter at a time, I should be able to use this keyboard to type in whatever I want. So let's go up here to search, and now I'm just going to type in something. And there we go. I could just type with the keyboard now rather than having to use this thing and go one at a time. So that is pretty darn cool. It makes me so I can search Netflix super fast, and of course I'm just typing in, my name here, but the type keyboard works there. So that's going to make it a lot easier to search Netflix and such. Now I have run into one problem. It works great in Netflix, but when I went to YouTube and now I try to use the keyboard, it's not quite letting me in here. They might have to do some update to fix this, because it's really should work in YouTube as well. That's actually where I wanted to mostly use it. But if I go to the search thing here and I start typing, nothing types. And if I try to go up to the top, I can't. If I try to type somewhere, I can't. I can use the keyboard. I'm using the keyboard right now to move around, but it's not taking any letter inputs. And it just brought me to the side menu there. It's not letting me do any letter inputs on YouTube, so that's interesting, because on Netflix it worked. Go back and check it again just fine. Maybe there's a little update that has to be done. Hopefully they'll get that working, but at least I can use this for Netflix for now. I hope they get it working for YouTube. Go back to search here, and here I can just type. So yeah, this YouTube, it's not working for very great right now. Hopefully they fix that, but for now it's still useful, and it provides a little bit of extra ease of use. So that's the Amazon Fire keyboard. It's pretty darn nice, but as we saw, a little bit of trouble using that YouTube app there, which is one reason I bought it. But I'll give them a chance to do some updates, and I'll keep it around because it's still useful in Netflix, even useful in the Amazon. So, have any questions about it, let me know. And leave a comment or question down there if you want to know anything, or just leave a comment. And we'll see y'all later.